So this is our office cum junk room, and it's a mismatch of everything, as you can see. I won't turn around and show you the mess. No, I won't do that. It's basically our junk room. Here's the CNC that needs to be stored somewhere. So we've kind of come up with an idea of more an industrial look. It's going to be a very, very basic concept. Basically, getting some industrial shelves like these, but not so flimsy. Those are real cheap, nasty ones. So we've got 4 of those units, and then some bench tops, just to sit on the shelves going right across. It's a very, very simple idea. She isn't that cheap of an idea either, but it's a simple idea. We've already got the shelving units. There's 1, there's 2, 3, 4. I can put 350 kgs per shelf, so they're full industrial, but it's kind of an industrial look we're going for. We've already got the bench unit. We'll have to cut down to probably, I think, what did we say it was this morning, 3. So we'll have to cut down to like 1500, 1600 each. And at the moment they are 2.2 meters. Or 2.4, I can't remember. Maybe I should look on the... Yeah, 2.2.
Let's go and make something.
Okay, so we've made the shelves up, but we're also getting our carpets cleaned. So I've had to move them temporarily in here, in the extra office, which is making the place look actually worse. One thing at a time. Being a 100-year-old house, this house has been repiled, so the floors, not level. So what's happened over here is, now that I've got a bit of weight on that corner, you can see that we can, but if I just one screw in through there, that'll hold it down. I'm not worried what happens over in that corner. There's enough weight for it to not be bothered. Found the GoPro.
Was it in the approximate area you were expecting it?
No, that was nowhere near it. I was like, oh, it's there. What the hell was it? I was looking on the other side of the room. Then once we get rid of 1 Duchess unit, 1 very old desk, 1 crapped out drawer set, then you'll see that the shelves over there are exactly the same. Once that's all gone, we can square away and then tidy up. Right, shall we go and have a look at the office? Still got a little bit of work to do on this corner. We've just kind of decided tonight that we're going to replace this bench with another acacia bench top, so it all comes round. So as you can see, it's just sets of shelves, industrial shelves, and then we've just put a bench top going all the way across, resting there, and there's the join, and then another one continuing on through, and then the offcuts just sitting there. That's all just sitting there. There's nothing actually bolted down. Once I put it all together, it's probably be holding the house up. Well, not quite. There, so there is my new workstation. New workstation setup, but still got all my keyboard, mixer, X keys, Stream Deck. That's all for video editing, audio editing with FL Studio, and I can still bring in my tablet, and it will actually just sit here on its stand. I've lost bench space by about 100 millimeters, or 4 inches I believe, but I've gained those 2 shelves there. I've still got those shelves there. The middle set of shelves is basically our printers. We've got our main printer down below here. I think it's all Wi-Fi. This is just our charging USB port. So all our cell phones, and at the moment headphones are being charged. My cell phone, the GoPro goes on there. And then we've got the Silhouette Cameo. Other printer, don't think that one's plugged in. And then Paula's workstation. She just uses a laptop, second monitor, and auxiliary keyboard. She's got the same set of drawers as I have over the other side. And she's actually decluttered that quite nicely actually. This final shelf here is going to go up here, across the top there, and we're just going to move the monitor. As I've said, we haven't moved that monitor, that's just where it was on the last setup. We're going to move the monitor maybe 6 inches, so it's more in the centre. We've temporarily still got this small, it's a very quick put together. I've used it for filming a few things, but we can quickly do some crafts and stuff on it. Still got to find a few homes for the bits and pieces, and then eventually I want to set up the Commodore. It's a Commodore 128D with a 1084S monitor, SD card reader, actually a bigger SD card reader with monitor on it. But it's a heck of a lot better than what it was. I would say it's 200% better than what we had before. And we're loving the looks of that. So anyway, I hope it's a very simple idea, but it looks really good. Bit of food for thought for somebody for an idea of setting up a computer station. You could do it for just one computer, just 2 sets of shelves and a bench top unit of some description. Looks really it looks industrial, and it still looks very tidy. We're loving it. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.